Hi, my name is Amadeo Briones, and today is February the 25th of 2018. This would be my attempt for one after a number, which was under a circuit. My objective was to reprogram the Arduino to link odd LEDs first, and then even LEDs in a repeat. So basically, it's just like blinking one at a time. So 1 is off, and then 3 is on, then off, and so far and so forth. And I needed to set the LED pins as variables, and so this is what's happening. The LED pins is only going to be from 0 to 8, which would correspond to like 0 being pin 2, 1 being pin 3, 2 being pin 4, and so on and so on. I needed to set it up as an output, and that way I could tell the Arduino to turn on the LEDs and whatnot. And instead of typing in everything over and over again, I could just type this on, and it will start with a count of 0. And I am looking for anything that is less than 8, and if it's less than 8, this is the condition that the command that would be in place if it is less than 8. And each time it is run, it is adding into a count one more. And I is just like every time like it uses the count number, so like it's going to start with 0, so it's going to be 0 output, and the next time it's going to be 1 output, and so forth and so forth. And anything between these brackets would be the looping. Let's loop. I have the delay time of 500 milliseconds, which is equivalent to maybe half a second. And as you see, it's kind of a decent enough for you all to see. But if I were to change it and upload it, it just goes faster. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to slow it down. Right now, it's just going through each pin. So it's going to start with pin 0, and it goes all the way until it equals to 7. And each time it goes the count again, it counts the counts. One more. And right here, just checking if it's divisible by 2. And if it is, it would put the pins as in a high with a delay time as well. And then turn one off, and then it continues until all the way to the last pin. And the same thing is going on here, except this time, if it is divisible by 2, it will put a delay, like, it will run a command of a delay. I needed something here as a placeholder, or else I would get an error, as you would see here. I needed something there, so that's what I put, just 1 millisecond delay. And since it is not divisible by 2, it will continue going the same command, turning the pin high and low. Here's my Arduino, and I'm just going to reset it again. That's it.